Hello.
Hello.
So, in trying to think of Christmas-themed films, the title, Room in a Bauble, came to us.
Yeah.
And because we've done libraries and clocks and winters and watches, and we decided, let's see if we can build a mini diorama / scene in a bauble. So we went to our local charity shops and we found this bauble for 10 pence. And then we cut a hole in it. And now we're going to put a room in it. So hope you enjoy.
Let's try to do an aesthetic shot.
We have a curved floor for the bauble. Doesn't give us much room to play, but we've got some small furniture.
Woody? Brown.
Brown, yep.
Brown. Some touches of matte yellow. Burnt. Need all the browns. Ooh, tiny brown. So cute. Okay. Oh my god. Oh. The base of the dock. This is weird though, because this is like under the ground.
What?
Well, it's like that's the floor, isn't it?
Yeah,
This is like under the floorboards.
Yes. Should I see how easy paint sticks to the inside?
Yeah.
What colour should we go for?
So we're not going to gesso it first. Then it will stick to it.
Yeah, but I don't know if we need gesso.
Okay. Well, let's see.
What colour goes on black? Green. It's always
Dark-
green,
dark
isn't it?
green.
Dark green. Okie dokie. Nice.
And the next layer.
Just have to wait for that to dry and do a second coat.
There, that's on the wooden floor.
Nice. That looks really good. No, we can only fit one in because it's quite a small bauble. So maybe I should make my little glass now so it can dry.
Should I make tiny cushion? Oh, you turn it off.
I haven't turned it off yet.
Oh. Should I make tiny cushions?
Christmassy ones, yes.
Christmas cushions.
Yes.
What's Christmassy?
Holly, snow, Father Christmas,
Well, how am I going to do that?
applique.
Oh, on such a tiny scale.
Yes.
Oh my goodness, okay.
Or tartan.
Maybe tartan would be easier.
Mum has found some Christmas ribbon. Well, some ribbon that could be Christmassy. Yeah, that's about the scale.
Okay.
Cute. So sometimes when we get new paintbrushes, they come with these little plastic bits on the end to protect the bristles, I guess. But we always keep them because they figure they come in handy for miniatures. And unfortunately, I was like, I'll make a little glass of milk. And I was like, that would be really cute. But they are far too small for the scale. But they're not too small. I figured to make a tiny little tipple glass of like sherry or port. So I've also got a little plastic bag of rub from something else.
That's terrible English.
Yeah. And then I'm going to put some of this. What is it? It's clear red acrylic paint.
You want to show it? It's quite old.
Yes, it's very old. Oh, it's stinky too.
That's because it's probably so old.
I wonder if I'll be able to clean up the inside, the top.
Yeah, just the red glass.
Yeah.
Oh, that's very 70s.
I have to wait for it to dry before I can clean it up properly around the bottom. But I think it's going to be cute.
Okay, where's the end? Is it usually at the top, underneath one of the... It's usually here, isn't it? No. Right now, how I'm going to do this. Right now. So I even need to stuff it, do I? I just sew very carefully and then maybe glue it so it doesn't fray.
Yeah, I don't think it needs stuffing.
Mm-hmm.
Cute. That looks really sweet. Feel like I would like, but we can just use fabric, like a blanket hanging over the back.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just to make it ultimate cozy, because you can tell that it's like a plastic chair and it doesn't look very soft or comfy.
There's no point in putting the chair in yet though, because we've got to put a blanket over it.
Yes, and wax the tree in. We've got to make some presents.
Well, I figured we might
Yes.
start with this one. Could probably use the snowman too for under the tree.
How can we get this off? Yes.
It's not on camera. Maybe
No.
take the snowman off on camera. That's very cool.
There you go. I'll take the snowman off on camera. It's quite a violent visual.
We watched Hot Frosty, didn't we?
Yes, we did. I might do a quick paint job on him.
Oh, what, make him less?
Make him look a bit less silver.
Okay.
The present, I like the present, but I might just paint him. Cute. Everything just looks better with a Christmas tree in it.
Oh, I was meant to get the carpet from the junk shop. You have to come with me to the junk shop.
Just painting the snowman the first layer, and then I will come with you to the junk shop.
I might have to take the Christmas tree out again. I don't know if the carpet's going to fit or not. We'll see.
Nope. Nice. I think it's a
round.
doormat, but
Yeah,
it does.
but it's
It works.
round.
Yes.
See if it works. You can put it that way.
Yeah. I think the snowman might be too big.
Do you think?
Yeah.
We'll have to use one of the doll's houses then.
Yeah.
Like that. I know, I'll wax it down. But...
Nice. That works really well.
It's 'cause-
Yeah. It's a cross section of a room in a
yeah,
bauble.
yeah. So I've put in another Father Christmas that Fairy Acorn made us. We've had a lot of people saying they'd like for us to put on her social media, but I don't think she has any social media.
Think she does. No.
She's just our
doesn't
friend.
have a subscriber that became a friend, and yeah, she doesn't have a YouTube or anything.
Oh,
I think she was talking about
having a shop.
having a shop, but I'm not sure she has. Well, if you're watching, Mel, if you could leave a comment, we can pin it
Yeah.
so everyone.
Lots
can
of people
see.
are keen. They
Yes,
want to know.
everyone loves your work. So yes, if you wanted to leave a comment, sort of talking about yourself, and we can pin it and make it the top one so people can see. And if you do have social media, apologies that we haven't.
No.
But we didn't know.
No.
But the Father Christmas looks very cute.
It does. It's amazing. And we put in the coffee table too.
Yes.
And the Christmas tree is kind of leaning like most Christmas trees do.
Yes, it does. Yeah, that's fine.
Right, so we need to make a blanket now. Where's the cat?
I think we should wax everything onto the table as well.
Okay. There's a cat with no ears.
There's a tiny little lead cat with no ears.
But it works scale-wise, though.
Cute.
Maybe you should go on the floor.
Yeah.
Just here. Someone could be drinking. Where's the needle?
Yeah. Oh, it feels like we should have what Christmas stuff? I mean, quite a lot of that's going in the dolls' houses. Where are all those Christmas puddings? We had hundreds of Christmas puddings.
They're in there, in the top. They are quite large, though. No, the next one down. Oh, they're over here.
Yeah, I don't think they're in here.
I think we kept
got
them
Christmas
here. They're
pie.
here. They're here.
Oh, there you go.
There's another little Christmas tree. Mel's Christmas tree.
Oh, yeah. This one is, again, made by the wonderful Fairy Acorn, and that seems
To scale.
to scale.
Not on a
Maybe.
plate.
Maybe it's to scale.
It's pretty big if you look at the scale of the chair.
Yeah.
But hey, they might be greedy.
Where's the drink?
I don't. There it is. It's so small.
I think the cup might be too big.
Okay.
I think we should put something Christmassy on the table.
Christmassy. Christmas pudding then.
Ooh, about one of those bottles from, just borrow it from the 1920s Doll's House for Christmas. Let me go have a look. That feels Christmassy to me.
It's quite large.
Not really, not next to the...
Oh, maybe not.
Wait. I think that actually looks in scale to me.
Yeah.
Oh,
Strange.
it's so cute.
All these.
So yeah, we should... Yeah, and I think we're going to put this new teddy that we got with all those things from the market under the tree as well, because that feels Christmassy. What else should there be? Like a book?
Oh, a book might be good.
A book might be good.
How's the scrap? Anything in the junk shop? Any books?
Oh, we did have some books in the junk shop. I see them just there in the box of books.
I'm just going to put the chair in. Oh, no, you need to put the table in first, don't you? Oh, yeah.
In the garden tools. A red book feels pretty Christmassy. Which one is that? Because it does have something printed on it.
Jamie Oliver.
Well, we can flip it. We can show the back of it. No offence to Jamie Oliver, but it's just not quite the vibe we're going for.
It's also very large.
It's probably too big.
It's too big. Okay, let me look at the other books.
We have A Tale of Mr. Todd by Beatrix Potter, and that's small scale, and that's cute, and we love Beatrix Potter. So, what a lovely Christmas evening.
Yeah. I can do it. I can't see. Where's the cat gone?
Just behind it there. So I think as an idea, it's cute. I think it's too late, it's too detailed now. I wanted to do sort of a cardboard scalloped edge around the inside to make it more back into a bauble shape, but it's far too delicate to do that, I think.
No, it's cute though.
It is cute. It is cute. Oh, I was trying to put a light in it. Well, that looks quite cosy.
Oh. That looks very Christmassy.
Isn't that cute? Fortunately, our Christmas tree is a bit small to put it on.
Yeah. You need a big tree.
But we can hang it somewhere as decoration. I think it's cute.
I do. Whiskey and a mince pie.
Whiskey and a mince pie and Beatrix
Beatrix
Potter.
Potter. Odd combination.
Lovely.
And an earless hat. Earless hat. Earless cat.
So yeah, there is a room in a bauble. Not much to say about this one.
No.
There it is.
It's a room in a bauble.
It's a room in a bauble.
There's a schedule change, isn't there?
There is, yes. So we have a scheduling change, yes. On our community page, we said that the 23rd of December was going to be the story of Bin Bear. And the story of Bin Bear is a bit more involved than we first thought. The story of Bin Bear is going to be our New Year film. And it's exactly what it sounds like. We found a big antique bear in a bin, and we're going to try and restore him. So that will be our New Year film.
New Year, New Life.
Yes. So instead, we'll have another film that maybe will leave us a surprise.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Hope you're enjoying Minimus. Even if you've not watched any other Minimuses, I hope you enjoyed this film. Hope you're having a wonderful December. And we will see you not tomorrow, but the next day.
Bye.
Bye.